Hey everybody, it's Hussein Kabani, your favorite broker. Welcome to 1546 Winville Road in Pickering. That's right, we're in Pickering and we're in the community of Duffin Heights. So here we've got a detached double car garage home. We've got 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms. Why don't you guys go around, take a look, and I'll see you at the end of the tour. All right guys, what do you guys think about this amazing property? This is actually my favorite area, home theater system. Why wouldn't you want this in your house? After a stressful day at work, wouldn't you want to be curled up on this couch, watching your favorite movie and putting a bag of popcorn down? No? I would. So if you're like me and want to do this, my contact information is going to be on the screen. I encourage you to call me. Let me show you around in person, okay guys? Until next time, remember one thing, get Kabani, get sold.